Very good morning, all the students of fourth standard, and we are learning our histories lesson number I think 12. Yes, yes. 12 is going on. Page number 46, lesson number 12, the siege of Purandar and the treaty with the Mughals is going on. Morarbaji's incomparable valor. Morarbaji's incomparable valor. This lesson is going on. See, the siege of Purandar and treaty with the Mughal. This lesson is there, and the Morarbaji's incomparable valor. This point is going on. By mistake, I wrote this lesson. Seeing Diler Khan, when our concentration is not in a proper way, so maybe this mistake will happen. That so, seeing Diler Khan, Morarbaji asked his troops to attack in full force and himself advanced toward Diler Khan. When he saw to Diler Khan, by saying Diler Khan, Morarbaji asked his troops, he asked his soldiers to be attacked with full of his strength, full of their might, with the powers, their energy, with courage, with full of their efforts to be attacked on enemy's army, to be attacked on Mughals army. And Morarbaji himself, he forced himself advanced toward the Diler Khans. He rushed toward the Diler Khans, or he went toward the Diler Khans. Now, whoever tried to obstruct him was cut two pieces. Who were? Those who came in middle to stop Morarbaji. That man, that soldiers, cut into the two pieces. Morarbaji's sword was lightning, like moving like lightning into the sky, like a thunder lightning there. In his two hands, two swords were there. In his each hand sword was there. Both hands sword was there, and he was moving his swords like lightning into the sky with the full of powers and the strength. He was moving. So those who come to obstruct him, that soldiers cut into the two pieces. The Mughal troops at last surrounded Morarbaji on all sides. So what the Mughal troops decided? They decided to be attack on Morarbaji from the all sides. So they made a plans and tactics, and they surrounded Morarbaji from the all sides, from the all directions. They made a circle, and Morarbaji, he was inside the circle. He was trapped in their strategy. They trapped Morarbaji. They made a circles around the Morarbaji, and they surrounded him. And he was singly or alone in the battlefield in that region or the area there. His troops were in another side, and he was front. So they made a surroundings there. So they made a siege to Morarbaji. They made round chain around the Morarbaji. His troops, Diler Khan's troops, were surrounded him from all the sides there. Just then Diler Khan shouted, "Wait!" And they made the circles there, and immediately what is that? Diler Khan, he was on his elephants. Oh, that was their backside there. From there, Diler Khan shouted, "Wait, wait, hold on, wait. Hold back your swords." Diler Khan ordered his soldiers, his men, that hold back your swords. You wait, hold on, just hold on, wait. Don't attack, don't attack on him. That hold back your sword. The Mughal troops halted and moved back a little. So, following their order of their Sardar, their pulse, their masters, all the soldiers, they little bit hold back. for some times there. Then Diler Khan addressed Morarbaji. Then Diler Khan, he from his elephants back there, he began to speak with Morarbaji there. And what Diler Khan said there? Until now, I have not seen a swordsman like you. In my whole life, I haven't seen swordsman like you. Like in the same Diler Khan, he told to Morarbaji that until I haven't seen swordsmen like you, you come over to our side. You come over to our side, because I have totally fascinated by your bravery, by your swordsmanship there. I haven't seen the swordsman like you, so you come in our side. Whatever you are serving for the Shivaji Raje, that you live and you come in our side. You come over our side, I promise you complete safety. I promise you that for your complete safety. If you will be come in our side, then I promise you of your safetyness. The emperor will make you a Sardar, and if you join us, then our emperor Aurangzeb, he make you a Sardar from his court or in his court. Who was saying like in say? Diler Khan was saying to Morarbaji, until I haven't seen the swordsman like you, I promise you for your safety, you come in our side, you join us, and our emperor will make you Sardar and reward you with the Jahagir. Not only he makes you a Sardar, but along with that he rewards you. He will give reward to you as a Jahagir, some area of the land territory. He will give you for governing. You will be the Jagirdar, you will be the Sardar. So, when Diler Khan told like this way to Morarbaji, Morarbaji's eyes red with anger. He was too much angry, and his eyes were red with anger when he heard the Diler Khan's words there. Morarbaji said in return, he was in angry mood, and when he heard that Diler Khan's addresses, whatever he offered, by listening his offer, he was angry, and he replied his words. He replied his words in the following way. He said in return, we are the loyal servant of Shivaji Maharaj. What the Morarbaji said that? We are the loyal servant of Shivaji Maharaj who wants to buy safety from you. And who wants to buy safety from you? Who want to get safety from you? We are not afraid about our life. We are the loyal servant of Shivaji Maharaj, and we don't want to buy safety from you. Why should we come over to your side? And along with that, why should we come over to your side? Like in say, Shivaji, Mr. Here, Morarbaji, he replied to Diler Khan, why should we come over to your side? We are the loyal servant of the Shivaji Maharaj, and who want to buy safety from you. Like in say, they replied, and who wants your Emperor's Jahagir? Along with that, who wants your Emperor's Jahagir? We don't want your Jahagir also. Like in say, Morarbaji, he replied to Diler Khan, we don't want your Jahagir also, we don't want you, our safetyness from your side, and we don't want to come, or we don't want to join to you also, because we are the loyal servant of King Shivaji or Shivaji Maharaj. Like in say, Diler Khan, like in this way, Morarbaji, he replied to Diler Khan there. He then moved forward in the direction of Diler Khan and again started attacking his soldiers there. So by saying this, he moved again in the direction of Diler Khan, and with his swords he started to attack the soldiers of Diler Khan. He started to attack on his soldiers. Diler Khan, who was seated in the Hoda on the elephant's back there. Diler Khan at the time, he was on his elephant's Hoda, that he sat on his elephant's back there. He was watching from this. So when he was watching, then what happened in the next, that we shall study in the next video. Okay, so till at that time you just rewrite this one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.